Here we're working on 2016 Mercedes C200 from Bosch Car Service. Here if you have we have a complaint about the customers is turning on the brake light, the battery light on the dash comes and goes, and the problem goes normally the older car, they come with the auxiliar battery. This come with the transformer. It's an auxiliar transformer instead of the battery. The location is in the passenger side, and you need the foot. You have to take this cover off, and this goes right there. You change this the part number, this the piece, and you change it, and your problem will be solved. Now we're going to show you the video how to take it off and change it, and we'll send you the next video. Here we're taking the cover off. There's a 4-bolt there. You take it off, and the parts right underneath. Okay, here we took the cover off, and this is the parts right there to change it. That's the parts. Okay, we take it off. When you take this plastic off, and this is the parts right there. You change these parts, and the battery light on the dash will go away. You won't come on anymore.